Kia ora everyone, I'm Ricky, I'm the Wainuiomata Park Ranger here at the beautiful Wainuiomata Recreation Area. So the park's beautiful during the day, but what you might not have seen is how amazing it is at night. So we'd like to invite you down here to experience the dark skies for yourselves at one of our Lights Out events. The Lights Out events are free and open to everyone. Just check out online for further details. So you can find Wainuiomata Recreation Area really easily by searching on Google Maps, or alternatively, head down Moores Valley Road, turn right onto Witcher Grove and come through to the main car park. We'll be waiting here with marshals. So when you arrive, just make sure you bring a nice warm jacket. We'll be ready to take you down to the ranger's office in a shuttle. Hot drinks will be waiting, and then you can get into some stargazing. So we're running these Lights Out events in partnership with Wellington Astronomical Society.
The reason we're here in Wainui is this is an amazing spot. It's got incredibly dark skies. It allows us to see the Milky Way in all its glory glowing above us. We'll be able to see planets and various other objects in the night sky.
We'll have 3 or 4 telescopes on hand, and the Wellington Astronomical Society is going to be here sharing their expertise and knowledge with you.